Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of FY Podcast. And as you know, on this show, हम लोग बहुत सारे मेहमानों को बुलाते हैं और उनकी लाइफ और इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं, उनके स्ट्रगल से, उनकी जद्दोजहद से और उनकी जर्नी से. सो आज जो मेरे पास ख़ास मेहमान है वो बहुत मशहूर, इधर लिखा हुआ है मशहूर, हंसेंगे वो, हार्ट थ्रॉब हैं जिनको अच्छा, ये वो हैं जिनको अवार्ड्स भी मिल चुके हैं. ही इज़ एन एक्टर, ही इज़ अ प्रोड्यूसर, ही इज़ अ डायरेक्टर, he's been a VJ, he's been a model, he's been, and he's very handsome, he's very charming, he's very witty, and the best thing about him is that all throughout this, he's been extremely humble. So I'm going to introduce the one and only Shahryar Munawwar Siddiqui.
And he's also in the same room, so a little embarrassed right now.
It's always embarrassing, है ना? जब कोई तारीफें करे ना आपकी तो बड़े अजीब सा.
तो बंदा कैसे उस पर रिया मैं आज
हमारा
तक सीख
कल्चर
नहीं
है.
पाया.
थैंक यू.
नहीं मैं आज तक सीख नहीं पाया कि बंदा कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे ले.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. ओके
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
और मुझे गौरव ने सिखाया.
जस्ट से थैंक
Yeah,
यू.
because we're so used, हमारे कल्चर में है कि हम हमारे पे इतने मॉडेस्ट हो जाते हैं, लाइक शर्म आती है.
हम एम्बैरेस भी हो जाते हैं ना
Exactly,
कि
but
कोई
you
तारीफ करता है.
deserve it. You own it. This is you. It is you. You are all these things. It's
That's
true.
very kind and टेक टू करते हैं हम.
No, we're going to continue. हम इसमें कोई टेक टू नहीं
Thank
करते.
you.
Mistakes भी हुए, मैंने भी कर दिया, कुछ नहीं होता. So शहरयार, okay, so thank you for coming. I am so happy कि आप आए हैं और I know कि ये कितने बिजी हैं. मुझे मालूम है कि ये एक शूट में लगे हुए हैं जिसमें कोई शादी का सीन चल रहा है. मगर फिर उन्होंने, मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, 2.5 लेट आए.
उफ.
बोल दो. फिर बोला मुझे, मैंने बाल बनाने, मैंने कहा बाल क्यों बनाने हैं भाई, हम तो कैजुअली बैठे हैं. दीपक परवानी शॉर्ट्स में आया था, कहते हैं नहीं बट मुझे तो साबुन बेचना है. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. नो बट आई लाइक दैट. इट्स वाज वेरी प्रोफेशनल, इट्स वेरी ट्रू. You know that no matter what happens, how tired you are.
किसी दिन शैम्पू भी बेचना होगा तो बाल तो और जो कि ज्यादा अच्छे बने नहीं.
नहीं,
इस
बाल
गर्मी
अच्छे
में.
लग रहे हैं भाई.
अच्छा बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
हैं.
तो शैम्पू ब्रांड्स प्लीज टेक नोट.
Yeah, and the haircut is very good.
अच्छा.
Yeah, I like it.
we've just let it grow. That's
Yeah.
why because जो अभी प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ उसमें.
Yeah,
But bad idea in Karachi's heat to have longer hair.
that's true.
It's been
Well, we know that. I don't
2
know
days
what
ago it was
boys know.
55. Feels like 55.
Yeah, it was very humid outside. Yeah. I know this because we had a party and it was really hot inside, and I said I will never have a party again in the summer. We've never had one in the summer. But anyway, so मुझे ये बताएं कि अच्छा, तो फिर इसके बाद मैं आपको कहानी बताऊँ ना. फिर ये यहाँ आए, उन्होंने कहा मुझे एक फ़ोन कॉल करनी है. He had an idea in his head and he wanted to make sure that he went right away and shared it with somebody. I don't know who it was. I mean, I like that. I'm just impressed, okay? So I just see things and I think that उससे बंदे के बारे में पता चलना शुरू हो जाता है, राइट?
No, but I think कि जैसे आपने बोला ideas ऐसे होते हैं कि आपको आते हैं और उस वक्त अच्छे साउंड कर रहे होते हैं, बट अगर आप उनको इम्प्लीमेंट ना करें तो फिर वो बस एक आइडिया ही होते हैं.
राइट.
So if you get an idea, just
Yeah.
put it out in the universe as soon as you get it.
Yeah, and then the universe also adds to it, right?
Sure.
And the creative people, because all the creative people, that's the juices flowing, right? The spirit's working for us. So, Shahriyar, usually we start from the beginning, कहाँ पैदा हुए हैं, कितने बहन भाई, वो सब मुझे पता है. But I know that you come from a Sindhi family. I've known you for a while now. मैं काफ़ी अरसे से, इतना तो अरसा नहीं हुआ मगर उस अरसे से जानती हूँ जब आप लक्स के मॉडल बने थे.
Yeah.
हाँ, और फिर पहली बार मैंने कहा था
पहली दफा मैं 2013 में बना था लक्स का
so
मॉडल.
that means it's been 11 साल. हाँ,
It's been 11 साल.
हाँ, वो फूलों वाला था ना, वो फूलों के साथ होता लड़का. I don't remember.
ये वो वाला हुमायमा के साथ था.
हाँ.
Humaima is obviously bathing.
Okay, yeah.
She's getting ready and this it's on set और वो एक एक्टर होता है, वो डांस कर रहा होता है और फिर वो गुजरती है तो he just takes a whiff and then they both dance together.
After she's had a bath and she's wearing clothes.
And she's wearing obviously.
मुझे ये समझ नहीं आई कि ये कैसा ऐड बन गया वही लगता. और वो भी 2013 में. So, okay. But are you visible in it or are you like a shadow?
No, obviously.
You're completely visible.
Yeah, because that is the story that
So the romantic hero kind of came up like.
And I was very
long,
lucky because
long
मैंने
time
उसी
ago.
वक्त शुरू किया था काम, and it was at that time it was a big deal to be the Lux boy.
Yes.
So I remember very early in my career, I got very lucky.
Yeah.
And Asim Raza was directing that, so I also got lucky that he was directing it.
Right.
And so it was
I think आसिम ने ज़्यादातर किए हैं. अब मुझे ये भी पता है कि I know that Shan did one.
Yeah.
I know that, and of course Shah Rukh did one. I think as well, and I think it's always like the regional thing that goes on and the and is it romantic? Is it अब तो वो ज़्यादा women empowerment का शुरू हो
Yeah.
गया ना, तो वो scene ही थोड़ा सा change हो
but उनको
गया.
appreciation के लिए चाहिए होता है ना लड़का. So they
Yeah,
always
yeah.
have that male
Yeah,
appreciation.
the interest,
The interest.
the
So-
mills and boons.
So, but that's interesting because
Yeah.
उसमें हमेशा जो लड़का होता है वो एक supporting character play करता है.
हाँ.
उस कहानी में हीरोइन तो obviously
Right, yeah.
लड़की
She's
होती
the
है.
important
Yeah,
one,
she's
yeah.
the important one.
Yeah. Okay. Wonderful.
So it's been 11 years now.
11 years.
11
Okay.
years.
Wow. But वो तुम्हारा पहला कमर्शियल था?
नहीं, वो मेरा पहला कमर्शियल नहीं था. पहला कमर्शियल था when I was still in school, when I was in A levels. और वो था साकिब मलिक के साथ.
अच्छा.
And this was a Telenor commercial. Are we allowed to
Yeah, yeah,
name?
of course. We're not sponsored.
Okay.
So
So
it's
Telenor
okay.
commercial था. But use Jazz because I'm with Jazz. Obviously.
Okay.
Mobiling Jazz all the way.
Yeah.
So khair, anyway, so वो commercial था and I got a call from, I remember I got a call and that time I was also, little known fact, I was VJing. जो your research has been very amazing. I'm surprised. So I was still in A levels और जब मैं वो VJ कर रहा था तो उनकी मुझे कॉल आई थी साकिब मलिक की एंड unfortunately I didn't know Saqib Malik कौन है, I didn't know Asim Raza कौन है, I didn't know these big names.
You were studying
I was in school.
School और फिर उसके बाद IBA.
IBA में फाइनेंस.
Finance
So अभी तक तो मैं
marketing,
यूनिवर्सिटी में भी आया था
yeah.
और मुझे कॉल आती है साकिब मलिक की और वो कहते हैं कि I saw some clip of yours while you were VJing and there's this ad that I want you to do. तो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था कि कितने पैसे होने चाहिए, कितने पैसे नहीं होने चाहिए. So the first thing I said, अच्छा, so how much are you going to pay me? So he told me a certain number.
Was it a lot?
In retrospect, that's a big number.
Because
So-
A level पे थे ना?
Acha, but I was trying to act like a wise guy. So I was like, I thought of that number and then I doubled it and I gave him that number. I was like, no, I'll do it in this much. So he laughed at my confidence.
But he gave it to you.
And he's like, okay, chalo, I'll give you that. So wow.
But that's Saqib.
At that-
Saqib ke saath, I know. Because he's a very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
You never tell him. You have to bargain with him. Yeah. All right.
And the other day I met him. So I reminded him that story and he remembered. He's like, yeah. He's like,
because Saqib
he's like, बचपन से ही तेज थे तुम.
नहीं वो भी तेज है. हाँ वो भी आपको बता लो बॉल करता है फिर उसके बाद जाके
Yeah.
कि उसका बजट होता है.
So उसके बाद then I worked with so I think I did 2 ads with Saqib. Back to back. And then I did I think 2 or 3 ads with Asadul Haq. Back to back.
Right.
And then by that time I was in uni. I joined IBA. I
Right.
studied finance there. And while I was there, the VJing चल रही थी. और साथ
Which
साथ
channel VJ?
this was a channel called OA.
Of course, I remember that.
Yeah, and then
Yeah,
closed down much
yeah,
later.
yeah.
So while that was happening, while I was VJing, I kept getting these assignments, and it was always amazing because as a university student, this was good money.
Yeah.
And so that's how it started, and then I would go, and then also in those days, most of our ads commercials were shot in Thailand.
Yeah, so it was fun. You got a trip.
Yeah,
all right.
every month or so, I was getting to go travel and.
मजे.
बहुत लोग एनवी भी करते थे मेरे सारे बैचमेट्स
दोस्त
के
जो हैं, हाँ.
इसके बड़े मजे हैं and then so then I did a couple with Asad and then उसके बाद फिर then I got lucky. I did a international commercial Vatika, which was in Arabic. So there's a
Really?
commercial out there on YouTube in which I'm speaking Arabic.
Really?
I don't know, they dubbed me.
But you could pass off. You could pass off, right? I think. You
I don't
could.
know. It was for the Jordan, Egypt, that market. और उनकी बहुत बड़ी एक हीरोइन थी जिसका नाम था शेरी आदिल. Sherry Adil, I think. Apparently she was supposed to be their superstar.
Right.
So I was in that commercial opposite her, and so I remember I did that. उसके लिए Sri Lanka गए. So those days were amazing. I was getting to travel a lot while I was at uni. I was making great money, but it was still fun and games.
Yeah.
While I was uni, I was studying finance, but then I took a few courses in advertising. So while I was doing advertising, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शौक चढ़ा
Directing का.
ad बनाने का.
अरे वाह. Going on the opposite side.
या क्योंकि जब आप ad में काम भी कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको हमेशा एक क्यूरियोसिटी होती है कि यार वो लोग जो कर रहे हैं
पीछे जो कर रहे हैं
वो कितने मज़े का काम है, और फिर यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़, तो मैंने एक माइनर ले लिया एडवर्टाइजिंग में.
Yeah.
So that way we got to visit a few advertising agencies. So वो बड़ा शौक था कि ये करना है. But then what happened was that last year while I was there at IBA, at that time I got an offer to do a small cameo, छोटा सा role type in Zindagi Gulzar hai. So I did that. I didn't have a great experience that way because obviously
Yeah, I heard about that. I
no,
was reading about it.
not because of any other reason, but because there were a bunch of professionals and stuff, and it was
Yeah,
high
but
pressure and all of that.
You were very new.
Yeah, so it was a high pressure situation. I wasn't understanding much of it, and so on a personal level, it wasn't a great experience for me. तो मैं थोड़ा डर गया सबसे काम से. And then I graduated and I started working with this venture capitalist company, जिनका काम ये था कि वो e-commerce businesses यहाँ पे set करते थे और
So it was more in line with your finance or marketing.
Yeah. So I was working in finance, and I was enjoying that job as well. And I've always been a hard worker. So मैं सुबह जाता था, startup थी तो सुबह जाता था, रात आने का time नहीं होता था. At that time, what happened was that then I started getting a lot of offers for different dramas and all of that.
After it was a very successful play.
But even though I had a very small role in it. So खैर अब ये हुआ
तुम
कि
लेट हो जाते थे क्या पहुंचने में?
हाँ बहुत अक्सर.
इसीलिए फवाद खान तुमसे लड़ाई कर रहा था उसमें. सुना है मैंने.
नहीं.
Did he bully you? देखा इतना दोस्त है तुम्हारा. अब तो I mean फिल्म में भी था तुम्हारी. He was in Pare Had Love ना cameo, तो अब तुमने उल्टा कर दिया, उसको cameo दे दिया.
No, I think Fawad is a very generous man.
Yeah.
And we have a very cordial relationship.
Right.
And he's always
There's all
been very
this
kind.
stuff on the net about it. So
All this stuff.
there
how
is,
much
there is.
how much
There's a
else?
lot of stuff about it.
I think
वो बढ़ा देते हैं चीजें, उठा लेते हैं.
I think इतने मजे की बात है कि ये मैं अक्सर कोट करता हूँ, पर मुझे बुशरा आपा ने शुरू में मेरे करियर में एक कहानी बताई थी कि मैं बड़ा स्ट्रेस था किसी चीज़ के बारे में, तो वो हम एक कारपेट पे खड़े हुए थे, उसमें बहुत बल थे. तो उसने कहा कि जब तुम ये चलना शुरू करोगे, देखो कारपेट में कितने सारे बल हैं, तुम अगर उनकी उन चीज़ों के बारे में परेशान होते रहोगे तो तुम उस दरवाजे तक कैसे पहुँचोगे. Once you get to the door, then you look back at these and they'll seem
It's nothing.
Nothing to you.
Yeah.
So I think as human beings also, as we progress in life, we go through a lot of things. Sometimes we hold on to them. Sometimes, but most of the times when we have crossed that, then we look back at them and then we say that, oh, okay, ye bhi hua tha. But I think it's more important to focus on where you are right now.
Yeah, and where you're going.
And where you're going.
Yeah,
and I
not
think
look back.
But
look, that is a very good metaphor, na? The bulls in life.
Yeah.
It's like the journey.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You're going to fall.
Yeah.
You're going to make mistakes. You're going to get up.
Yeah.
You have to get up. Getting up is the important thing,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
And not looking back and just moving on. You know, that's the important thing. Okay, and so then you did that, and I know the whole story.
Yeah.
And then you landed as an
otherwise,
intern.
we worked together. He's been kind enough to work on films that I've produced and done cameos for us and stuff. So, like I say, he's a very generous man that way. And
he's wonderful. I'm very fond of.
I think we all have our own journey, and we all kind of grow into a place where. So I think we've that way with him. I've grown into a place where.
You were the baby, na?
So was he? He was also a baby at that time, right?
No, also Fawad. I mean,
we're talking about 11 years ago.
I'm talking about the first time I met him.
Actually,
was
longer. 12 years ago. We're talking
Battle
about.
of the Bands.
Battle of the Bands.
That's where I met him.
So that was even
before that.
Before, yeah.
You know, and then because वो
Because this is the time when I was in like O levels उससे भी पहले, और we used to listen to their music.
Exactly.
EP का जो music आता था and all of that.
And look at his journey; he's been fantastic.
Mashallah.
Well, you know, and he's done it in a very respectful way, and he's also brought a lot of respect to Pakistan and to the country.
Absolutely.
So I think that's what to do it with dignity and honor is,
absolutely.
I think, at the end of the day, the most important thing. And wow, so that was a very important play. उसके जैसा भी हो ना, experience तो होता है ना, experience हो गया, and then you decided when you were doing finance, you got into that. How long did you do that?
How long did I study it?
No. How long did you do that job with the venture capital people?
I think just about 6 months.
6 months.
I think I did that for about
And
6
then?
months. And then
You just dropped it.
so like I said, I always wanted to work behind the camera. And मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कैसे, तो I thought कि अच्छा यार ये करते हैं. This is a step in the right direction,
Right.
and eventually I'll get to do it. And then I did that, and one thing led to another. I did a couple of dramas back to back, 2-3 dramas I did. But I wasn't really happy because I wasn't understanding it much, and
Do you love acting? Do you like it?
I really love creating a character. I think that's what I love.
Do you like that more than producing and directing?
I think the most fun that I have is when I get to direct.
Really?
Yeah, because I think that is a different high altogether. Because I think when you're doing that, you're sort of.
You did Prince Charming, right?
I did Prince Charming.
That was excellent, right? It got great reviews.
It got great reviews. I
Yeah.
was very lucky, alhamdulillah. I was very kind of Mahira to be part of it.
Do you have a special relationship with Myra? मैंने तुम दोनों को देखा ना, दोस्ती तुम लोग की है ना, तुम लोग के कोई आँख में झोली नहीं, जैसे दो दोस्त खेल रहे होते हैं. You have a name for her, or she has a name for you?
Yeah.
What is it?
So we both do, but I'll tell you something interesting, that when we were working in a different capacity, हम हमेशा दोस्तों की तरह रहे, and she's amongst us, जो दोस्त होते हैं तो उनमें हमेशा एक जो होता है जिसका हमेशा अपर हैंड होता है, थोड़ा बुली सा होता है. So Myra's always that.
The
so,
bully.
Yeah. in a sweet way, as a friend, because I love her to bits.
Yeah.
And but when we were working that capacity where she was the actor and I was directing
Yeah.
her, so it was
The other way
it kind of flipped.
Yes.
And she was so gracious in that regard, because she completely surrendered.
Yeah.
And she said that, you're directing, so tum batao ab. And I think that was a small project, 12 minute ki hai, but it was so close to my heart still, because it came from the heart. And she really understood the assignment, and I think we both had fun shooting it. And I remember one day while we were shooting, it was very tough because we were shooting in May. It was really hot. बहुत गर्मी थी, कराची की गर्मी आप समझ सकती हैं. ऊपर से वो पूरी कहानी एक घर की कहानी है. So उस घर के अंदर लाइटें लगी हुई, लोग
और गर्मी,
और एक पूरा फिल्म का क्रू घुसा हुआ एक छोटे से घर के अंदर. तो आप समझ सकती हैं कितनी हब्स, कितनी गर्मी, सब कुछ. एंड बिटवीन ऑल ऑफ दैट, टू टॉप इट ऑल, बारिश हो गई.
Okay.
तो मैं सर पकड़ के बैठ गया. मैंने कहा यार ये क्या हो रहा है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली नैरेटिव में तो बारिश नहीं है. So then Mahira came to me and she was smiling, and I said, "Why are you smiling? It's raining." She said, "No, this means that Allah me approves."
Yes.
And he said
It's a blessing.
He's saying he's giving his blessings.
Yeah.
And he
it's
said,
true.
and he said, "बड़े मजे की बनने वाली है." And she was so positive about it, and then we made it, and then when it came out, we got great reviews for it and stuff. And then, so I recently also wrote and directed this small 50-minute thing called Buddhi Khodi Lal Lagam. It's produced by Jio. It had Simi Rahil and Salman Shahid. It was an older couple's romance.
I like that.
And then Myra was kind enough to do a cameo in it. So was Humayun Saeed.
Yeah.
He also did a cameo in it. Essen did a cameo for me in it. Sarwat did a cameo in it for me.
Nice.
So
Hey, when you're a good person and you're generous and good-hearted, then everyone comes together for you. I've noticed this. उसमें भी तो ये हो रहा था. परिहाट लव में भी तो ये हो रहा था ना. मुझे तो हर जगह से कोई ना कोई निकल के आ रहा था.
अच्छा, बट उसका वो आई थिंक उसका ज़्यादा क्रेडिट आसम को जाता है, because he's got such a big heart. So he kind of has this way of pulling people in, reeling people in, because they sort of gravitate towards him. Because
But it was a huge movie.
It was a huge movie. It was a huge cast. You were part of it.
I was very much part of it.
It starts with you.
Does it start with you?
The film starts with you lying on the couch.
Oh yeah, with
बड़े
Parisha.
कैमरा बड़ी सी हवेली से गुजरते हुए आपके ऊपर आता है, आपकी बेटी की शादी हो रही है. Parisha is getting married.
Parisha is getting married. वो बहुत मजा आया. I can't tell you how much
You're
fun
my
I had.
aunt in it, and Parisha is getting married.
इतना मजा आया. And तो your father was in it, यार.
Yeah, my father was in
it was
it.
so cute, and I just thought it was like a family thing going on. We were having so much fun, and I said to मैं एक दिन मुझे पहले बुला. मैंने कहा मुझे एक दिन पहले क्यों बुलाया? I'm the kind of hyper person who wants to do something all the time.
और आपको भावलपुर में बिठा दिया.
हाँ, इसने मुझे वो ज़ेन कर दिया. और फिर मुझे YBQ उठा के ले गया और हिना दिल पसीर, और फिर हम लोग कहीं डेजर्ट में चले गए.
Oh yeah, you went
We
to the
went
safari.
to the desert, yeah. And we sat and we had sandwiches in the middle of the desert, and we went on another trip. We went to see the Haveli. ताला तोड़ के अंदर घुस गए थे. एक और वो जो तुम लोग की नहीं, ये तो हम लोग वहाँ कौन से वाले
People watching it right now, they're like, अच्छा तो ये थे जिन्होंने ताला तोड़ा था.
No, मगर उसकी इतनी बुरी हालत थी. Which Haveli not Haveli.
Nawab Palace was.
One of the palaces. There were 4 palaces there, and it was
Nawab Mahal,
one
was
that was just locked
There's
up.
Gulzar Mahal, there's Nawab
Yeah,
Mahal,
yeah,
there's
yeah. नहीं वो दूर थी.
Noor Mahal.
45.
वो दूर वाला है, वो I think
दूर
that's the
वाला,
one with the
जिसकी
family.
हालत नहीं इसमें बंद है.
अच्छा.
It was like भूत थे उस वक्त हम पहुंचे.
But I think that's the biggest one. वो सबसे बड़ा वाला palace.
Beautiful. और उसकी तस्वीरें मैंने एयरपोर्ट पे जब देखी ना तो मेरा दिल टूट रहा था because you could see the original pic and you could actually see that curtain which is still hanging there. But my heart was breaking कि इसको बिल्कुल इन्होंने इस तरह से destroy किया हुआ है. खैर anyway.
और उसका furniture भी सारा गायब हो गया होगा अब तक तो सब उठा के
कुछ चीज़ें थी और ऐसे लगा था ना कि भूत हवेली में आ गए. But it was so exciting और फिर कह रहे ऊपर मत जाओ सीढ़ी टूट जाएगी. And there was just me, barbecue and I think one other person and we bribed the guy. We let us in. ताला नहीं तोड़ा था, we bribed him.
So
yeah, so what an experience.
What
that
an
was.
experience. It was a wonderful
Yeah.
experience. So to answer your question, to cut it short, so that's the most fun when I have when I'm able to create something
And direct, right.
and direct
And producing also. You were a very good producer.
yeah. So we were producing those films, myself and Asim. We produced those
Yeah.
2 films together, Home and Jah and Paryat Love.
Yeah.
And post that, ab now Alhamdulillah, myself, Sonia, Sonia Khan and Salman,
Okay.
all 3 of us have started
Another film company.
It's not a film company, so
Oh, it's like she
It's
told
a-
me she's doing like stuff for
television,
Netflix and all of
and
that.
web as well,
Yeah,
and all of
website.
that.
That's great.
So we've just started
Wow,
that now.
yay.
Yay.
Good for you. I didn't know Sonia ne mujhe bataya tha.
Yeah,
I didn't know you were doing it with her.
Yeah, no, so it's been wonderful. She's, because जब आप किसी के साथ पार्टनर कर रहे होते हैं तो वो भी एक तरह की नई कमिटमेंट होती है.
Yeah.
And she's been wonderful about it. Salman's been wonderful about it. But सोनिया और मेरी बहुत इंटरेक्शन होती है पूरा दिन. अब हम बैठे होते हैं. अभी भी जो हम बात हो रही थी. So that way she's a wonderful person to partner with.
Yeah.
Because we have a good working relationship.
Right.
And
That's
she's
who
also
you
very
were
creative.
calling कि मुझे ideas आ रहे.
No, actually
मैं भी आ रहा हूँ.
I was calling somebody else. मैं उनके पास पूरा दिन था अभी.
Oh, okay.
Her and I, we were
Okay.
sitting with our entire team and we
Yeah.
were going through
Dishing out ideas. Okay,
yeah.
cool.
So that's what's going on.
Wow.
And so
Great
so
stuff.
I got to act. And even now I think acting is a different kind of a high. Acting is I started enjoying acting more later when I understood it, when I worked behind the camera, when I've understood that it is a craft. You have to learn the craft. It's सिर्फ वो ये नहीं है कि मैं कल सुबह सेट पे आ जाऊँ. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो बस सेट पे आ जाते हैं, उनको कपड़े भी कोई और पहनाता है और बस वो बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं. But then I think it is the craft that is exciting because आपको you need to learn how to create a character. You need to learn उसकी body language and all of that. अच्छा usually क्या होता है कि हम externals पे काम करते हैं कि उसकी body language ऐसी होनी चाहिए. What I've realized is that if you start working on the internal side of it, आपकी body language और आपकी चीज़ें automatically आती हैं. अगर आपका character arrogant है, वो arrogant क्यों है, किन वजूहात की वजह से, अगर आप उनमें believe करते हो तो खुद आपकी कमर में ककड़ आ जाएगी.
Internalize करना पड़ता
अगर आप internalize करोगे. So I've started enjoying that process now a lot.
So Sharia, you're a hard work. देखा अब मैं सबको ये बता दूं कि मैंने तो ये देखा है. मैं वो कहानी सुना रही थी कि इन लोगों को कि one day we had a party and there was a theft and Sharyar was sitting outside where my chowkidar sits and I walked out and I said, what are you sitting here for? We were waiting.
Yeah.
Right? And I said, why are you sitting here? And I was just like, humbled by you that you were so...
I sort of remember this incident, but I
You
don't
even
really.
remember?
I don't really.
We had a party.
Okay.
Home and Jahan ke baad.
Oh, wow,
And there
okay.
was a theft.
Okay.
Aila's bag was missing. Don't you remember the photographer?
yes,
And
of
then the
course.
security cameras caught the
Yeah.
guy on the camera.
And then we
And then
saw-
Asim called me.
Yeah.
And then I said, okay, we brought him back.
Yeah.
By saying, we need the photographs, so
Yeah.
can you come to the house? And I
Yeah.
had my PR guy coming
Yeah.
over.
Yeah, of course,
So
of
we
course
were
I
we were going to get the stuff back. We were
Yeah.
not interested in anything else. And we did.
Yeah.
But you sat outside with my PR guy on the bench. And I was like, andar kyun nahi aaya?
Yeah.
And I was like, he didn't care. और मुझे ऐसी बहुत कहानियाँ तुम्हारे बारे में मुझे कुछ कहानियाँ नहीं पता थी जैसे कि मुझे आई नो कि यू इंटर्न विद आसिम और छोटे से छोटा काम और Did you actually, were you blow drying Priyanka Chopra's hair? ये क्या कहानी है यार? You know, is this true? Do you know how to do blow dries?
No, not blow drying. This is a वो जो आप blower मारते हैं in the
वो
shot.
बाल जब हिल रहे होते हैं यूं करके
But
लटके
I
होते
don't think that is something that I should be complaining about. That's
No, but
obviously she's Priyanka Chopra. So
yeah,
so,
but still, I mean, hello. I mean, this.
I was an AD. I was assisting Asim, so you know we used to be on
I
set
know, I
and-
know. कि जो भी करना होता है, you get to the job. But like you said, Pakistan, everyone doesn't have that attitude. Everyone feels very entitled. और वो नहीं समझते कि ये मेरा काम है. हम लोग समझते हैं, हम गमला भी उठा लेते हैं. हाँ, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, सफाई भी कर लूँगी मैं किचन में भी जाके. हाँ, करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But नहीं करते लोग. So I saw that, or then I read this, अभी in the research, and I was like, पहले तो मैं करूँ blow dry तो नहीं करना, तो फिर मैं पता blow dry नहीं हो रहा था.
अच्छा वो भी एक skill set है ना?
हाँ. Yeah, of course. I was like, क्या क्या आता है भाई? भाई सब कुछ आता है. Horse riding भी कर लिए तुमने, am I right?
Yeah. So but I did that growing up.
Yeah, but still, I mean, Daddy was in the Air Force.
father's in the Air Force.
Commodore, I mean, like,
Yeah,
that's a big deal, right? My dad was in the Air Force.
Yeah,
so
was he?
Of
Okay,
course,
wonderful.
the discipline. So I know where the discipline's coming from because वो फिर छोड़ते नहीं हैं आपको.
And and to be honest, I think, and this is something which comes from the Air Force.
Yes.
Because जिन दिनों हमारे fathers Air Force में होते थे, तो there's certain glamour.
There was
with
a lot of glamour.
with the Air Force.
Of course.
You know, so
Top Guns थे यार सारे.
and
नहीं?
मतलब मेरे father still takes credit के people wear clip-on bow ties,
Right.
He knows how to tie a bow tie.
Yeah.
So उन्होंने मुझे एक दफ़ा हंस के बोला, उन्होंने कहा, there's something I want to teach you. I want to teach you how to tie a bow tie. Tying a tie is an easy thing.
Yeah.
Now bow tie is a little tough.
Yes, it is.
Right? So you know, things like that. I think those are things. He's a very cultured man, mashallah, my father. He's a very cultured man, and I think that comes from being part of the
Yeah.
Air Force and how to dress, how to talk, how to respect
Your
people.
grandfather also was very polished. He used to get up early
Yes,
and
yes.
get ready and
Yes,
stuff.
yes.
Am I right?
Yes, my maternal grandfather was a dandy.
From your mom's side.
From my
So
mom's
दोनों
side.
तरफ से आ रहे
So
हैं.
he used to love dressing up, and he would
Yeah.
get up early in the morning. He would groom himself.
Yeah.
And my father till today wakes up at 6 in the morning and takes an hour to groom himself
So
every day.
I love
उनकी मूछें हमेशा बिल्कुल तैयार हो perfect होती हैं, बाल उनके हमेशा बने हुए होते हैं.
Yeah.
You know, he dresses up every day, and I think that's important if you do that in the morning and you put in that time to get
Yeah.
ready. जिस तरीके से अगर हम कभी नमाज भी पढ़ने जाते हैं तो हम नियत करते हैं पहले. वो हमारा जो और नियत से पहले हम वज़ू करते हैं तो हमारी तैयारी होती है फिर.
Right.
So just the same way I feel that preparation of you getting ready, cleaning up and all of that just gets you ready for the rest of the day.
True. Very true.
You know.
Yeah.
So good things I've learned from him.
Yeah.
I've been very lucky that way, and I've been also very lucky to have great people. I've learned a lot of things from along the way. Professionals in the industry, my seniors. I've been very lucky to always have great people around
You've
me.
also gravitated towards them. It doesn't just come from the other side. We find those people.
I mean,
It's
like,
not
Fia, look at
finding.
you looking like $1,000,000 right now,
Oh,
getting
thank
all
you.
ready.
See, this is his charm. Everybody, you'll see him. I'll be looking like death. मुझे याद है.
मैंने आते साथ आपको बोला आप अच्छी लग रही हैं.
बड़ी अच्छी लग रही है. स्किन बड़ी अच्छी लग रही है. वो तो खैर मैं भी थोड़ी सी तैयार हुई हूँ ना आज मेकअप भी करके.
But look at that. Look at the time. आप रात के 11:30 बज रहे हैं.
Right.
And you're taking this like a job.
Yeah,
Like,
it is
seriously,
a
you're
job.
working
And
hard.
they have all my people. I mean,
And you've
it's
done this, you know, I've always admired the amount of hard work you've put into your life.
Thank
Has
you.
anyone ever spoken to you about you?
Of course, they want me all the time.
You know, you've had such a long and tough journey, and mashallah done such
Yeah.
great things and gotten to where you have.
Thank you so
Over
much.
the years.
But we are here today about you. not
Okay.
me. Okay, so what should we talk about now? Okay, schooling, parents, we've done that. I know, because I know I've seen the interviews, so I don't want to kind of like go back into time and everything. I know the journey, so I know that you started off doing one thing and then you gravitated towards this is what life is.
Yeah.
And this is what a journey is. And your family is educated. Your sister went to Harvard.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
pretty awesome.
Yeah.
You know?
My sister's a very smart individual.
Yeah, and what did she study there?
Business.
Law? Business?
Yeah,
Business school, okay. Wow, and is she here? No.
No, she's not here. She's married, and
Yeah.
her and her husband they live in London.
Acha. Does she have
And-
kids?
They have 2 kids. They
So you
they
have
have twins.
nephews. Oh,
Yeah,
lovely.
they're
Yeah.
3.5 now.
Wow.
Meheryar and Xavier.
Nice.
Yeah, it's an interesting story.
Shahryar, Mehriyar, Xavier.
Yeah.
Acha.
Actually, it's an interesting story because my sister was very kind, and she told my younger brother कि एक बच्चे का नाम तुम रखना
हाँ.
और एक शहरियार रखे, मतलब मुझे बोला कि
अच्छा.
तुम रखोगे. So I named Xavier
हाँ.
and Mickey named Meheryar.
Oh,
So
that's nice. Those are good names, though.
Yeah, so my elder brother was Asfandyar,
हाँ.
who passed away, God
Yes.
rest his soul.
Yeah.
And so there was Asfandyar, Shahryar, then Meheryar, Xavier,
हाँ. तो एक और भाई भी है ना?
छोटा भाई
हाँ.
Mickey,
मिकी का क्या नाम है भाई?
Mano Chahar.
Wow. What does that mean?
It's a Persian name. It's got 2 meanings.
Beautiful.
It means bright smiling face or face like the moon.
Che means Shehra.
Cheher,
Yeah.
and-
it's
and
like
ma-
Parishe.
Yeah.
Parise. It's actually Parise in
Yeah.
Persian.
Okay.
So Se means Chehra and Pari obviously means
Yeah.
fairy.
Very.
So they have these kind of names.
Yeah.
All the
It's a-
Pathans
it's
will
an
still
Iranian
call-
name.
Yeah.
So is Shahryar, so is Asfandyar.
Acha,
They're all Iranian names.
Nice, nice, nice. So this is, and also your family speaks like 4 languages in the house?
My mother's Baloch.
Nice.
So she's Brahvi speaking.
Yeah.
And so we speak Brahvi,
Yeah. Hmm.
and then my father's Sindhi, so we speak Sindhi, and then
Is
English.
it a dialect Bravi or is it Balochi?
No, Brahvi's
language?
got is a script.
It really
It's
is.
got
I
its
don't
own.
know
It's
much
got its
about
own
this.
script, and unfortunately, I'm a little ignorant, तो मुझे नहीं पता. मैंने नहीं पढ़ी obviously, क्योंकि हमें पढ़ने का मौका नहीं मिला कभी. But they say that unfortunately it's a dying language because the number of people
Who speak it.
आप कोयटा जाएंगी तो आपको बहुत लोग मिलेंगे वहाँ पे.
अच्छा.
बलूचिस्तान साइड पे आप जाएंगी, खुजदार, कोयटा,
I hope
कलात,
they
इन जगहों
don't
पे आपको
lose
बहुत
it.
मिलेंगे.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's a dying language because unfortunately you know that जो आपको
पंजाबी भी मुझे
interesting
लगता है
tidbit
ऐसा.
बताता हूँ.
हाँ बताओ.
जो उसमें कोक स्टूडियो में दाने पे दाना आया था गाना, उसके शुरू में वो ब्राह्मी में बात कर रहे होते हैं.
अच्छा. अभी भी इस वाला जो है उसमें भी बहुत उन्होंने ना different folk and it's just really interesting. I actually like it. People didn't like it in the beginning.
Okay.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पर कोक और तुम भी तो एक जुड़े हुए, वहाँ भी तुम जुड़े हुए. तो लक्स के साथ जुड़ गए, फिर वहाँ भी जुड़ गए जाके. Because बहुत काम किया है ना.
I've done
बहुत काम किया. They did उन्होंने तुम्हारी फिल्म को भी तो सराहा था.
Yeah, so
Both the films,
they
right?
partnered with us on both films.
Yeah, and those are good films. I mean, I think their brand was also kind of at one point doing things with Shadi, so Parhat Love made sense.
And Home and Jahan, they were doing music and all of that.
No
So it was all about
music, and
music.
you guys were all like aspirational sort of singers at that time. So I remember that. So that's also good. No, that's also marketing. तो तुम्हारा जो finance और marketing का IBA का जो education है वो तुम्हारे काम भी आ रहा है.
IBA की education बहुत काम आई है.
Yeah,
मुझे
yeah.
सिर्फ मैं I won't restrict it to the books that I've read. It's also
Yeah.
the time I spent there,
Right.
the kind of teachers I had. And I think those 4 years were, and also it gave me a lot of exposure. IBA में पूरा पाकिस्तान आता है. हर सूबे से स्टूडेंट आता है. हर स्ट्रेटा से सोसाइटी के. उनका आउटरीच प्रोग्राम भी है. So you get to meet all
Different
of
people.
Pakistan
Yeah,
in a
wow.
way. And
This is true. This is a good thing.
Yeah, so
and then it's like a cultural hub. It becomes a cultural hub.
absolutely, and I think that way it taught me a lot, because one of my best friends was from Ghotki
Acha.
at IBA.
Yeah.
Naresh, he's
Right.
still very close to my heart.
Yeah.
And
Sweet.
and so just the idea to be able to mingle with
Yeah.
people that I would not have normally met.
Yeah.
IB allowed that, facilitated that, and I think that's why there was a lot of exchange of ideas.
Yeah.
So it's taught me a lot.
I think हमारी जर्नी जो है ना मुझे तो लगता है अभी स्टार्ट हो रही है. I just feel like कि छोटी उम्र में जब इंसान करना शुरू कर देता है ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं तो I just feel like you're still very where do you get these eyes from?
Where do you get what eyes from?
These eyes. This hazel है तुम्हारी
मेरी
आंखें.
colored eyes है.
हाँ, तो hazel eyes तो बहुत कम होती है ना दुनिया में.
That's interesting.
Percentage
My
like
father
2%.
has
Yeah.
my father has brown eyes. He doesn't have hazel eyes. I have
So,
lighter eyes.
yeah.
My little brother has even lighter eyes.
अच्छा.
And the interesting thing is we were born with grey eyes, both of us.
Yeah, most kids are born with grey eyes though.
अच्छा, so
They
I had
turn
grey
colour.
eyes till I was about like 3, 4.
हाँ.
3-4 साल के बाद फिर ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इस कलर में
hazel,
hazel में-
hazelish. Yeah.
So-
but in the family, I mean, I've met your father.
Yeah.
I've met your mother also.
My
Yeah.
father has brown eyes, but he doesn't
Yeah.
have lighter eyes.
Yeah.
I think from probably my mother. My mother has dark eyes, but
हाँ.
my mother ki side se, because I think my nana probably had lightish eyes.
Yeah, so it also skips a generation.
Yeah. So I think it's
Like my father had hazel eyes, my
Acha.
mother had blue eyes.
Acha, nice.
So that's why my sister and my other brother had blue eyes.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then it skipped a generation, and the grandchildren have blue eyes.
Oh, wow.
So it skips a generation.
skips a
And it
generation.
also comes from both sides.
Okay.
So anyway, just interesting
That's
because
interesting.
it gives a lot of softness to the face.
To the face.
Yeah, it does. चलो अब हम उसकी फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट्स पे बातें करें.
आप मुझे जितना ऑब्जेक्टिफाई करना चाहती हैं
नहीं,
करें.
मैं ऑब्जेक्टिफाई नहीं कर रही आपको बिल्कुल भी.
मुझे कोई इख्तिलाफ नहीं है इससे.
No, because obviously, Shahryar, there is a certain look that you have
Yeah.
that obviously puts you also in that hero category where, you know, people are always putting you in these. Have you ever done an evil role?
Yeah, just I think होमन जहाँ का थोड़ा मेरा ग्रे कैरेक्टर था, इवल नहीं था, ग्रे था,
grey.
एंटी हीरो था वो थोड़ा. आई रियली एंजॉयड दैट. उसके बाद मैंने वो आसिम के साथ था. देन मीनू एक और मेरी फेलो दोस्त भी हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं, मीनू गौर, उनके साथ उनके लिए मैंने किया था जी के लिए. कातिल हसीनाओं के नाम एक सीरीज थी. इट वाज एन एंथोलॉजी ऑफ डिफरेंट एपिसोड्स. तो एक एपिसोड मैंने की थी. तो उसमें आई वाज प्लेइंग दिस किलर who was posing to be this lover boy and trying to वो बेवकूफ़ बना रहा है नर्स को, और एंड में जाके
मारता है उसको,
वो
खंजर
नर-
वंजर.
तो वो पुलिस से भागा हुआ है, तो वो नर्स को अपने प्यार में इन्वॉल्व करके और उसको फिर वो उसके थ्रू भागता है. और आगे जाके जब वो नर्स को बताता है कि वो कौन है, तो नर्स भी अंडरकवर कॉप निकलती है. तो ही इज प्लेइंग द नर्स हु इज प्लेइंग हिम.
She's playing it. That's interesting.
That's an interesting
I'm
story.
so sorry I haven't seen it. But I did see Marina's film.
Yes,
I
yes,
saw that with
yes.
Ramsha, right?
तेरी
2
मेरी
minute,
कहानी
Teri
है.
Meri Kahani.
Which was again a fun assignment because
Yeah.
because जैसे हमने पूरी फीचर फिल्म्स की हुई हैं, ये इसमें इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये थी, वो again it was an anthology of 3
Yeah,
films
yeah.
put together. So the idea was that you know, because cinema's been it's been time at the cinema's been a little tough in the
Yeah,
past few years.
yeah.
So the idea was to, when times are tough, to be a little more creative.
Yeah.
So I think we tried that, and I think that film did fairly well that
Yeah,
way.
I thought all 3 films were fantastic. I had a great time there. There are 3 different directors.
Yeah.
You know, I thought वो हीरा मानी वाली फिल्म भी बहुत अच्छी थी. I
नबील
love
कुरैशी की जो थी.
वहाज and वो जो
मैं
नदीम,
विश्वाली,
हाँ वो भी
नदीम.
बहुत अच्छी थी, नदीम बेग वाली.
हाँ.
वो भी मुझे मज़ा आया उसके अंदर भी. I thought it was really a good evening for me. I just, even my time that, I mean, I want to support the
Yeah.
films, but even time to go and see a film for 3 hours is like, has to be good. Otherwise,
So it was so
Yeah.
interesting because I was
Yeah.
working with Marina after a full 10-11 years.
Yeah.
Because बिल्कुल शुरू में जब मैंने आपको कहा मैंने कुछ ड्रामे किए थे,
हाँ.
उनमें एक था तनाइया नए सिलसिले,
हाँ.
जो मरीना ने डायरेक्ट किया था.
अच्छा.
So and that was like 2013 I think. So
Right.
and then I worked right now at 2023. So
You know, I've worked with Marina as well.
Acha, you worked with-
Hasina Moin play.
अच्छा wow.
Yeah, I played a doctor
Oh wow.
against Shakil Saab. Imagine Shakil Saab, who passed away. उनको भी अल्लाह बख्शे.
You also in Rosie.
I was in Rosie, but I did a few. But I'm like the restless person, like you.
Okay.
I would rather go behind the scenes.
Yeah.
And that's what I did with the modeling. And then
Yeah.
when I did with the drama, I would rather be the creator, the back. And
So that's what I was saying. Look at mashallah
Yeah.
your journey. You
yeah. But it's fun, isn't it? To just keep moving
Yeah.
and growing.
Yeah,
Growth
obviously.
is important.
to be able to learn new things every day is
exactly.
important.
Yeah.
I think the scary part is जब बंदे को इंसान को ये लगना लगता है कि that you know everything.
Yeah, but you don't, right? So you had an accident also during COVID, I heard.
Yes,
And that has changed your journey a little bit.
I
When we were
busted-
talking about your physical attributes, let's talk about your spiritual
yeah.
journey.
So I busted my shoulder,
Oh my God.
and it's made for an interesting party story.
ये कितने
You know,
कितने हैं?
अक्सर
Stitches हैं?
खवातीन को
कितने?
gets me a lot of sympathy.
अक्सर खवातीन को ये
मजाक
तो
कर रहा
गलत
हूँ
बात है।
मजाक कर रहा हूँ
अच्छी बात है नहीं
It
I'm
makes for a
not
good
judging.
party
I'm
story
not
though.
judging you.
Makes me look little.
Yeah. So how many stitches?
These are quite a few stitches. I never counted. It starts from here. The scar starts from here all the
Means
way.
तुमने डॉक्टर से पूछा भी नहीं?
नहीं.
सर्जरी
Makes me
हुई
look
थी?
more badass ना.
सर्जरी हुई थी?
2 surgeries.
तो तुम्हें एनेस्थीसिया नहीं दिया था उन्होंने?
हाँ दिया था.
तो फिर तुम सो गए थे?
हाँ मैं सो गया था.
हाँ, तो
मैं आपको एक serious बात बताऊँ. The scary part is anesthesia.
Yeah.
Coming out of anesthesia is so bad. You know that.
Yeah, you don't want to come out. It's such a good sleep.
And no,
And the
that
pain when
that
you come
vulnerability when you're coming out, that you're trying to make sense of things and scary.
अच्छा, I loved it. मैं
अच्छा,
तो कह रही थी सोने दो मुझे.
अच्छा.
This is the best sleep. I thought I had gone to heaven. This is when I was having Turhan.
Okay.
So I was like, and my sister kept screaming and waking me up, and I was like, tell her to shut up.
Let me
I just
sleep.
want to sleep. I don't care. So, but I can understand the pain comes back now when
Yeah.
you're out of it.
Yeah.
You suddenly you're hurting. But most people show off now. Like my father had 36 stitches. He used to play football.
Oh wow.
So he had 36 stitches. So he used to always say, I have 36 stitches here. Turan has 21 stitches here.
Oh.
So everyone says something, you know,
Yeah.
when they get.
Yeah.
So तुमने तो count
मैंने
भी
कभी
नहीं
count
किए
ही नहीं किए
यार.
मैंने कभी, but
अरे
काफी
200
बड़ा है, यहाँ
होंगे,
से लेके यहाँ तक है.
200 होंगे.
हाँ पता
You
नहीं
can tell the ladies that.
है ना 200 stitches है.
Tell the ladies 200 stitches.
200 stitches.
Scars make good stories.
But I think I have a few screws in there still.
Oh, screws भी हैं. तो तुम जब मशीन से गुजरते हो एयरपोर्ट पे तो रोकते नहीं है?
हाँ
नहीं
इतना नहीं होता.
नहीं
नहीं
होता. I'm
नहीं
just
होता.
joking.
But it feels weird though a little
To have the
sometimes.
screws, right? Yeah, I know. 'Cause I know
But you get
people-
used to it. इंसान से ज़्यादा ढीठ
बहुत
चीज़ नहीं
but
है
were you
दुनिया में.
alone when you got into the accident?
No, I had a few friends. Actually, I feel bad because it was a family trip that I spoiled.
Oh.
Because मुझे सब कह भी रहे थे बाइक को छोड़ो, बाइक पे ना जाओ, बाइक पे ना जाओ. And बस आपको जब आपको जिद होती है.
Heavy bike थी.
Yeah, so
Okay.
जब आपको जिद होती है आपको होती है. And so when I crashed तो I think 15-20 minutes later पीछे गाड़ी में दोस्त और उसकी फैमिली अभी आ रहे थे.
अच्छा.
They were following up and my family was ahead तो वो लोग निकल चुके थे. And
बेहोश हो गए थे तुम?
नहीं it was
फिर?
pretty okay. I just fell and बस it was all busted.
Yeah.
But I was pretty okay. Like I knew my like हाथ लटक रहा था.
Oh.
But
And then they took you to which hospital?
so वहाँ पे आगा खान ही है. हुंजा में थे हम.
हाँ, हुंजा में.
So आगा खान क्लिनिक था जहाँ पे लेके गए थे. But obviously उनके पास first aid type.
तो फिर?
So then we had to drive the next morning. We took a 2-hour drive to Gilgit जहाँ पे CMH था.
Okay.
We had some nice doctors over there, surgeons भी थे. They looked into it and उन्होंने फिर बोला कि आपको surgery करानी है. And they said that it's better that you go back to Karachi और या जहाँ पे भी वहाँ पे कराएं. So then the next morning we went to get a flight and वहाँ से flights सुबह की flight
Cancel हो
book की.
जाती हैं, हाँ.
एक कैंसिल दूसरी कैंसिल तीसरी कैंसिल चौथी कैंसिल एंड बाय द आफ्टरनून जब चौथी कैंसिल हुई तो लोगों ने आके बोला कि अच्छा 5वीं फ्लाइट निकलने को तैयार थी. अब वो सब मुझे आके बोल रहे मेरे जो दोस्त और मॉम वगैरह वो लोग गाड़ी पे निकल गए थे. देयर लाइक छोड़ दो ये अगर 4 कैंसिल हुई है तो सोचो 5वीं कैसे होगी. आई एम अ बिट ऑफ नर्वस फ्लाई. सो बट खैर वो भी कैंसिल हो गई तो फिर देन वी
You
गॉट
drove.
then we drove then I drove
13
my own car.
hours. What?
Yeah so I drove with one arm because automatic थी.
You gotta be kidding.
No, I'm serious. गाड़ी कौन लेके जाता वापस? तुम
Acha, I've lost the sympathy in this story for you. Because you're fine. And then इसके बावजूद सर्जरी पेन तो नहीं हो रही थी? पेन नहीं हो रही थी?
वो हाईवे पे थे तो एक दफा आप गियर लगाए उसके बाद
So
फिर
they've
आप
given you serious painkillers?
No, they didn't actually because they only had Panadols and basic painkillers
Oh
over
my
there and
God,
stuff.
I can't
But surprisingly, nobody believes me. It wasn't hurting.
Yeah, I don't
So-
understand that.
So
It's broken, right?
yeah, it was broken and
Your
stuff.
collarbone is
Yeah,
broken.
collarbone was broken.
Oh my God.
And muscle फट गए थे, tissues फट गए थे, सब कुछ and all of that. So but it wasn't hurting.
And you drove, and then you flew back to Karachi from
Then
Islamabad.
then we drove to Islamabad. Islamabad se aage, फिर somebody took my car, and then I took a flight from Islamabad to Karachi.
Karachi.
And then when I got to Karachi, तो फिर I was getting थोड़े different opinions मिल रहे थे कि क्या क्या procedure होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए. And then somebody recommended another surgeon of जो London में होते हैं, cousin of mine.
Right.
So then I went there and I got my surgery done over there.
Okay.
And then but the second surgery, the follow-up surgery, I got done in Lahore.
Oh my God! So there were 2 surgeries.
Yeah.
But you changed after that.
Yeah, put on weight.
Okay, so
And it's been a struggle since.
So
Because I always used to, I've always been very sporty.
very fit, huh?
I've always been very sporty.
Sporty, yeah.
Sports काफ़ी खेलता भी हूँ.
Yeah.
Workout भी मुझे हर वक्त करना होता है. खाने का भी ख्याल रखता हूँ.
हाँ, बहुत
So वो
ज़्यादा
हुआ ये
मैंने
कि जब
देखा।
आप एक अचानक से mobility आपकी रोक दी जाती है, तो then I was at home and I discovered food. You know,
It's also comfort.
yeah.
Yeah.
You love the carbs at that time.
Oh my God! Yeah. You just want to be happy because you want to be alive.
And then double whammy क्या हुआ कि उसके साथ COVID भी. So COVID की वजह से भी life stand still पे ये भी हो गया. So then I just stayed at home. I was eating and I just put on a lot of weight post that, and then then एक role आया, तो मेरे पास option था कि I could lose it for that role, but then my director and I discussed, वो army officer का था, तो we said okay, let's try to convert this into muscle.
Yeah, good idea.
So उसी को फिर हमने workout कर करके उसको हमने buff
अच्छा,
किया so that I could play that role.
Right.
And right after that, then I was like कि बस अब उतारना है. So then I went on like a crazy workout kind of a situation.
Right. But also became more zen.
Yeah.
Yeah, like praying more, I've heard, and
Yeah. So I think this was during COVID,
Yeah.
and alhamdulillah that I always used to pray.
Yeah.
मेरी एक नमाज हो जाती थी हमेशा, but I got very regular at that time. तो मेरी alhamdulillah 5 वक्त की नमाज हो चुकी. आजकल भी ये है कि अगर मिस भी हो जाती है तो मैं रात को एक साथ पढ़ लेता हूँ. But I try to, because काम की वजह से अगर मिस भी हो जाए,
Yeah.
तो I try to make up for it at night.
right.
But I've been regular since then till now.
It's also scary for your parents. You get into an accident,
Yeah,
especially when your brother passed away.
Yeah,
he had
so-
a car accident,
Yeah,
right?
so we've lost one
Yeah.
to a car accident
Yeah,
before,
this is not good, no?
which is why I sold off all my bikes.
Okay.
मैंने मोटर बाइक्स अपनी सारी बेच दी, और अब एक छोटा सा स्कूटर है मेरे पास शौकिया. बट आई हैवंट, बीच में मैंने बड़ा शौक चला था. आई गॉट अ BMW की स्पोर्ट्स बाइक थी, वो आई गॉट दैट अगेन. इट्स अ बिग बीस्ट, बट वो भी बिकवा दिया. My mom was just like, why are you doing this again? So I got, but like I said, this is part of your journey.
This is part of the journey. My brothers used to have
You make mistakes.
वो जो क्या कहते हैं, वो dirt bikes कहते हैं उन्हें.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो उस जमाने में तो फोन भी नहीं होते थे ना. 12 बजे तक अगर वो घर नहीं, my mother and I would be standing at the gate,
Waiting for
so scared, and they'd always be ripped, and they would do this
Yeah,
wheelies.
wheelies and-
I don't know what the boys do. Awful. So I'm like, then my father said, "Bus, enough,
बहुत हो गया.
enough." of
But
this fun."
I like I said, I think it's
Yeah.
it's part. Everybody has their own individual journey,
Yeah.
and it's part of your journey. Sometimes you make
Right.
mistakes, and
Yeah.
when you look back, you realize that you made mistakes. It's
Yeah.
okay.
But it's not mistakes even. This is it, right? Accidents happen when you're sports, and there's some sports which are more prone
Prone to accidents.
accidents, skiing and automobile racing.
Yeah.
That's
I mean,
a very
look at
dangerous one.
look at Michael Schumacher, right?
Yeah.
वो
He's such
बेचारा
I love him so much.
पूरी जिंदगी बेचारा F1
Yeah.
racing करते रहे.
Yeah.
Which is supposed to be one of the most
Skiing accident.
one of the most dangerous sports in the world.
Yeah.
Nothing happened,
Right.
and then he went on a leisurely trip.
Yeah.
Skiing accident
But
में
ये
coma,
ना अल्लाह
vegetable.
मियाँ की तरफ से भी चीज़ें होती हैं. So it's like, and that happens a lot, like Muhammad Ali, the boxer,
Yeah.
right? And he had Parkinson's in
Right,
the
he had
end
Parkinson's.
because obviously you're getting hit left,
If
right.
nothing
and
else, लोग चलते चलते आपके ऊपर कुछ चीज गिर जाती है, आप चले
This
जाते
is
हैं.
it.
So you never know what's written
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah, you're really, it's true, right? I want to know, you also went into depression, you said, right?
Yeah.
For a while after the accident, and and when you're a hero and you're used to being fit,
Yeah.
and then suddenly you can't move.
You can't move.
Because you have surgery, and then you're like stuck when you're eating and all of that habits, and तो वो फिर इंसान को बहुत ही डिप्रेशन में डाल देता है. I
Absolutely.
can understand that.
But depression एक ऐसी चीज है, I think it's the most common thing. I
Yeah.
think everybody goes
I
through
agree.
it. you know, at some
Yeah.
point or the other.
Yeah.
The only problem is a lot of people don't even know they're going through it.
Yes.
You know?
And it's also something that is treatable,
Yeah.
right? Because and people don't. Everyone. I don't know anyone who hasn't gone through it.
Yeah.
You know, the lows and the highs also. You know, so
Yeah.
it's a. But the low it can be very. It can really take over where you don't get out of bed. You don't want to leave the room. You just think life is horrible.
Yeah.
You know, and so and you have to seek help. You have to talk to people and
Yeah,
get
there are
therapy.
days, you know, when the hurt is just
Yeah.
is just too much, and
And also being in the limelight.
yeah.
There's always, like you said ना, वो जो बल आते हैं कुछ जो लोग हैं वो बल बना रहे होते हैं आपके लिए, you know, उस पे से भी गुजरना पड़ता है.
अच्छा, उसमें फिर ये होता है कि लाइक आई सेड ये भी एक जर्नी है, तो आपको आहिस्ता आहिस्ता यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू डील विद इट. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, अब मैं सोशल मीडिया से थोड़ा सा बहुत हट गया हूँ. बिफोर आई यूज्ड टू पोस्ट अ लॉट ऑल द टाइम, एंड देन यू नो I'd be like I'm here, I'm traveling, I'm doing this, I'm dying, always posting this, that, the other.
Yeah.
And then recently, I think for the past couple of years, I feel like my personal life is my personal life, right? That's my time away.
Yeah.
And there's a character that I take on when you see me on screen. That's my job. I put on that hat. Director calls cut, and thank you very much. I'm done. Now I want to go home and just be myself. So sometimes I don't want to share. So I don't want to share anymore.
Yeah.
मैं मेरे सोशल मीडिया पे अब अगर आप जाके देखेंगे भी तो मेरा काम होता है. कभी मैंने कोई कैंपेन कर दी तो लगा दिया, कभी कोई ड्रामा आने वाला है
Which
उसकी.
makes sense also.
Yeah, I mean, that's a way for me to sort of just put my work out there. But
But sometimes people, your fans want to see your lifestyle. उनको देखना है कि भाई शायद यार हमारा, you know, there's a fan club, right? They look up to you. They want to look like you. They want your hairstyle. They want everything. They want to dress like you. तो फिर वो आपका lifestyle follow कर रहे होते हैं. So अगर शायद यार एक diet कर रहा है या शायद यार ये जिम में ये वाली एक्सरसाइज करता है, वो आपको फॉलो करेंगे, आपकी घड़ी जाके खरीद लेंगे, जैसी चीजें ले लेंगे. सो वो भी एक फैन फॉलोइंग होती है. एंड ऑब्वियसली देयर इज ऑब्वियसली ट्रोलिंग. there's a lot of pressure with social media, and there's a lot of hurt with social media. There's a lot of love, but there's a lot of hurt.
Can I be honest? I think for me, for me, the idea of sort of taking a step back was that at a certain point, then you don't understand when if you're doing it for the gram or if you're doing it for the gram or for real life, right? I mean, वो इतनी blur हो जाती है लाइन कि शायद आपको भी खुद नहीं पता चलता. And other time आप देखें लोग कॉन्सर्ट पे होते हैं आजकल, तो वो फोन के अंदर फोन के थ्रू देख रहे होते हैं. You
Well,
paid so
you're
much
right.
money to be there.
Yeah.
You know, just
And you're
put your
not
phone
actually-
down
You're
and
so right.
and
You're absolutely right, you know, and I feel that sometimes. I also feel sometimes when I'm posting my own pictures, I feel so shallow and I feel like, oh, what is this? You know, why am I doing this? And then I'm like, okay, for me now, I love recording every part of my life. And then for me, that's the album now.
yeah.
So that's probably where my stuff
When you want to
goes.
go back to it and
To it
revisit.
and look at my pictures and see. But it's not about, it's not necessarily कि अच्छा आज मैंने ये कपड़े पहन के. I mean, if that makes you happy, then do it. That's fine, you know. And if that's
Yeah,
your
whatever
job,
makes you happy. I'm not.
Yeah.
I don't want to be
Yeah.
saying that that's wrong
Yeah.
or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Maybe you know one should not बड़े बोल नहीं बोलने चाहिए. I'm thinking this right now. Probably a year later, I'm thinking that again.
Yeah, exactly. It might change. You might
might
change your
change.
mind, and it might, you know, be like, okay, but you don't have to do what everybody's doing.
Yeah.
That's what I believe in.
Yeah.
ये वो कहानी change करनी, because you have to follow your own spirit, as
Yeah.
they say,
Whatever
your journey.
works for you.
हाँ, वो तुम्हारी एक journey है, वो जो निकल के I mean, you know, I remember जब हम जा रहे थे, मैं तुम्हें जानती थी अगर इतनी अच्छी तरह नहीं जानती थी. हम लोग मसाला अवार्ड्स के लिए जा रहे थे और मैंने तुम्हें फ़ोन किया. तुमने कहा मुझे तो क्यों इकोनॉमी में जा. मैंने कहा 2 घंटे की फ़्लाइट है. कहती नहीं मैं तो बिजनेस में जा रहा हूँ. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. तो फिर मैं भी बिजनेस में टिकट लेके तुम्हारे साथ we were going together. Remember we had a great time.
Yeah.
Those 2 hours we were like chatting away, and I was asking you about your personal life, and I was like, and you were like, no dude, like you had your own thing going on, and we're not going to go into details, but you know, and I was so shocked and surprised, and I was happy for you, and I was like, you know, he's completely different from who I thought he was. You know what I'm saying? Because when you're on a film set
Yeah.
and you're talking, I mean, that Parehad love for me and my daughter was a beautiful
It was
experience.
a lot of fun also.
No, but you guys made it, you and us. Because हर रात को वो गाने वो निगा जी भी
like
गा
we
रहे
were
हैं,
like a family,
दाक्षरी
ना?
हो रही है, वो खाने खाए जा रहे हैं, दावतें हो रही हैं. It was amazing, you know, and I had never experienced that.
And Jimmy was singing.
Yeah.
You
We had
know.
like, I had like, और फिर वो खत्म नहीं हो रहा था ना, वो फिल्म के बाद में भी चल रहा था. चलता ही जा रहा था.
I think it was a good year that we enjoyed a lot.
It was it was the biggest grossing movie before Maula Char,
Yeah.
am I right?
Yeah.
Of course, it didn't spend as much money. I mean, you spent a lot of money, I have to say this, okay, on that movie. Because उस वक्त भी लोग कहते हाँ इतने पैसे खर्च कर लिए. But वो नज़र आ रही थी ना कि उस पे पैसे खर्च किए हुए. You know, उसके बाद जब obviously, but what about...
But
I even asked you कि
think
तुमने इसको
sometimes-
सोशल उस पे क्यों नहीं डाला, Netflix पे या
But
किसी और
it
OTT
did-
पे?
It was on Prime for a while. You know, but the important thing is that हमने तो मेहनत की थी उसके लिए. It's also something that, you know, whenever I've traveled, I've met families who've said that, you know, we were so proud when the songs for that film came out that we showed our Indian friends that, look, ये पाकिस्तान की फिल्म है, हमारे भी ऐसे गाने होते हैं, हमारे भी
वो एक गाना तुम्हारा हाय दिल बेचारा, that song
played so much.
अभी हर शादी पे होता है.
Yeah.
अभी भी होता है हर शादी पे. I'm like, man, I listened to it like it's been what, five years almost now.
Yeah.
And I think, wow, this song is such a big hit.
Yeah,
and it's so popular. वो तो फिर forever वाली चीज हो जाती है ना. It stays forever. Yeah. Okay. All right. First बचपन वाला कोई था? Okay, celebrity crush किसी पे तो होगा.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
पता होता है हर को.
नहीं, एक्चुअली नहीं, मैं याद करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मेरा पहला क्रश क्या था. नहीं, उस तरीके से तो बचपन में जो आई थिंक पेनेलोपी क्रूज मुझे बहुत हसीन लगती थी.
अभी भी हसीन है यार.
अभी भी बहुत खूबसूरत है.
She's not that old.
स्टिल ब्यूटीफुल. अगर मैं पाकिस्तान में से किसी को कहूँ तो आई डोंट नो. First crush was somebody in school with me, I think.
Yeah.
And I know who she is. I'm just pretending to take
A level, that's fine. You have to take names, but it's okay. All right, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was very interesting actually because it was at that age when, you know, like guys and girls were like, we hate girls, and girls were like, oh, we hate the guys. And then girls,
but
guys का
everybody is
और
still
अचानक से
interested.
तो अचानक से वो जब feelings आना शुरू feelings आना शुरू हो गए, तो then you're just like, okay, maybe, you know, they're not that bad. And then some of the guys who are still not feeling it, they'll be like, what the hell's wrong with you? So I remember that. It was an interesting time.
What about okay, I have to ask you this because I've lost a brother and you were pretty young, right?
Yeah.
I'm just thinking like 2012.
2012.
So it's been what, 12 years.
It's been 12 years now.
Okay. Now how did that affect you? How was it? I mean I can imagine because I know. But it's an accident ना, वो एक shock होता है system के अंदर आपके. Were you close?
Of course, we were, as a family, we were all very close.
How much older? Was he older?
4 years.
So he was close to you.
We were very
साथ
close.
खेलते थे.
Because वो मुझसे 4 साल बड़ा भाई था, तो मतलब सब कुछ उसी ने सिखाया था. You know, like the first time I played cricket, he taught me how to play cricket. He taught me how to play all kinds of cycle चलाना उसने सिखाया था. You know, पहली दफ़ा वो जो आपके ट्रेनिंग व्हील्स होते हैं उसको हटा के उसने मुझे धोखे से पुश कर दिया था. I remember that. And I mean, he didn't have to, but he was just like, उसकी साइकिल थी बड़ी वाली जिस पे ट्रेनिंग व्हील्स नहीं थे, तो उस पे बिठा के, and then I remember he's like, I'm holding you, and then he just pushed me.
Yeah. Oh, अच्छा.
So I remember,
it's like throwing somebody in the pool.
yeah,
and
so I
saying,
remember
"अच्छा,
that story.
सीखो."
And मैं पहले तो डर रहा था, और he pushed me down the slope, और फिर उसके बाद फिर मैं अचानक पैडल करना शुरू, because it's a do or die kind of a feeling, right?
Yeah.
And so these little things,
Good memories.
good memories. So I remember. So I think this again is something that you have to make peace with as you keep growing.
Yeah.
I think earlier in my life, मैंने shut out कर दिया था उसको पूरे को ना, बंद करके
But
side
you
पे.
can't. You have to deal with grief also.
Yeah, I wasn't dealing with it, right?
Yeah.
I'd my response to it was to hide from it and just pretend like it doesn't affect me. And I think I didn't cry much. And I think I was just holding that in.
Yeah.
And I think it takes time. Over time, and then unfortunately when you hold on to grief, it comes out at different times,
Yeah.
in different ways.
Yes.
You know, and then you have to learn to deal with it.
Yeah.
And so, and there are times where there are moments where you think of it and you have a weak moment and you remember it, and then the idea is to remember the good things, and then you also
Yeah.
smile about things. Like I just remember
Yeah,
just
because
आपके साथ बैठे-बैठे
that's how
मैंने
you keep them alive also.
आपके साथ बैठे-बैठे मुझे ये कहानी अचानक से,
Yeah.
and it's so interesting because you spoke about him, and today when you spoke about him, the first story that came to my mind was that cycling story, which I probably haven't thought of before.
Yeah.
I've never thought of remembered this this story
Yeah.
before.
Beautiful story. Yeah.
And I just remember this right now, and
Yeah.
it kind of made me
Yeah.
happy.
And probably going on when you have your children, things like that keep growing. You
Yeah.
keep doing, because I know I've been through it, right?
But it also teaches you a lot about life, right?
Yeah, it also
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
angry also.
Makes you angry, but it also makes you stronger because
Yeah.
you realize कि अच्छा ये भी हो गया.
नहीं, and you're vulnerable. Like that life is. वो कहते रहते हैं ना, माँ बाप नमाज पढ़ो, ये करो, डरो. Life, but we don't realize.
हाँ.
हम जब,
But
especially
नमाज,
when you're young.
मैं आपको बता, नमाज डर से तो नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए.
नहीं, I agree. But what I'm saying is कि वो एक होता है ना कि like we cannot forget.
Yeah.
Sometimes we forget,
Yeah.
and that we are vulnerable, and
Yeah.
that pain and hurt can come.
Yeah.
Even when life is good, वो हम थोड़ा सा वो हो जाते हैं. And when you go through the pain,
Yeah.
then you're very sensitive.
Yeah.
Because you're hurt,
Yeah.
and everything, you become very sensitive to other people's pain. You become sensitive to everything around you, right?
Absolutely.
You can get angry. I was very angry. I remember that. I mean, I couldn't understand. It's like I just
Why
lost-
is this happening to you?
Yeah, why is it happening? No, my father just passed away. So for me, it was double whammy. And my brother was also young. He was
Yeah.
34.
Yeah.
And so for me, it was like, who's going to look after his family? Because it was always the man, right?
Yeah.
So it's always that picture. So things become, and it's also like there's a guilt. Why him? Why not me? And why, you don't understand things.
Yeah.
So I think there's a lot of questions in your head, and I think that, like you said, you put it away. I put it away. My crutch has always been work.
Same.
So I was just working away. I was just like,
Yeah.
जिस दिन
Just
उसका
keeping yourself
सोया
busy.
मैं काम पे गई थी सुबह. I was like, I have this responsibility. I have to do this. So I also think that, maybe I also learned to deal with it a lot
Yeah.
later. And the anger that comes from it. But, it's important to deal with it. It's important to share.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm sharing with you, because when I read that, मैं भूल गई थी. और मुझे फिर याद दिलाया इन्होंने जब, when I saw the, research. So I wanted to ask you about it, and I thought,
Yeah.
I know it's hard also to approach this subject, but it's also lighter when you talk about it. So, and it also, every time
Yeah.
I talk about it, it makes
kind
me
of-
kind of
Yeah.
emotional.
Yeah.
So anyway, but okay. So over the years, you've learned to deal with it through work and everything.
Yeah.
But you also been seeing therapists, I believe. Is that
Yeah,
true?
I think therapy is amazing. I think a lot of people should.
Yeah.
I would recommend it to people.
I want you to talk to the audience about it, because हमारे लोग जो हैं अभी भी they feel, there's a lot of अभी भी वो shame feel करते हैं. They think, oh, we can't talk about depression, we can't talk about mental health, and it is the most important thing, because it's your health, like your physical health.
Absolutely.
Your mental health is another very important
Absolutely.
thing,
Absolutely.
right?
Sometimes some things can be very overwhelming.
Yeah.
देखें हम इंसान हैं. हमें खुदा ने बनाया कमज़ोरियों के साथ है. तो I understand that the idea is to learn how to deal with those weaknesses.
Right.
But it's okay to ask for help.
Yeah.
Generally, अगर आप गिर रहे होते हैं तो आपका नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट होता है किसी को हाथ.
Yes.
आप सीढ़ियों के नीचे जा रहे हो, कोई
हाँ,
आपके साथ चल
पकड़
रहा
रहे होते हैं,
हो,
हाँ.
अगर आपका पैर फिसलता है तो आपका नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट होता है हाथ रीच आउट करना.
Right.
कि कोई पकड़ ले आपका हाथ.
हाँ.
तो आपकी बॉडी का एक नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट है टू रिएक्शन है
Right.
टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प.
That's very good.
सो अगर आपकी बॉडी एक इंस्टिंक्टिवली रिएक्ट करती है टू आस्क
Right.
फॉर हेल्प,
Yeah.
तो फिर आप अपने दिमाग से क्यों उस नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट को डिनाई करते हो?
Right.
Sometimes when you're faced with a situation, it's okay to ask for help.
Yeah.
And I think that I think काफ़ी लोगों की प्राइड भी आ जाती है इसमें, कि नहीं मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ, मुझे थेरेपी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But I think that
I think everyone should have this.
Yeah.
I think also हमारे culture में ये ना कि खाला फुप्पी चचा भाई बट वो कहते हैं कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टॉक टू स्ट्रेंजर किसी से आप बात करें जो कि बिकॉज वो ऑब्जेक्टिवली आपसे
वो
बात
आपसे ऑब्जेक्टिवली बात करेगा, वो बाहर से देख के आपसे बात
हाँ,
करता
बात करेगा,
है. ही इज नॉट इन इट, सो ही कैन बी ऑब्जेक्टिव अबाउट थिंग्स. ही
Exactly.
और शी is
Right.
not in it,
Yeah.
so they can be objective about it. And you know, sometimes you go for therapy, sometimes your therapist doesn't work out. Maybe you're not vibing with them. What I
Yeah,
mean by vibing is that जरूरी नहीं है कि पहली आप जब कपड़े खरीदने जाते हैं तो पहली पेयर ऑफ जीन्स जो आप ट्राई करते हैं वो फिट तो नहीं आती ना.
Exactly.
So it's okay if it's not working, try somebody else.
Right. Exactly. Yeah, I agree with you. I also did that. you know.
And once you're comfortable,
Yeah.
then also know that it will take time.
Yeah.
It takes patience.
Yeah.
And allow yourself that
Right.
time, because हम जाते साथ नहीं खुल सकते.
एंड ऑल्सो समटाइम्स हम लोग अपने आप को मैंने ये भी देखा है कि हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो जाता है हम बिकॉज स्पेशली अगर कोई डिप्रेशन हो या कोई भी चीज़ आपको बॉदर कर रही हो या किसी से लड़ाई हुई हो या बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं आपको बॉदर कर रही होती बट समटाइम्स यू आर ऑल्सो क्वेश्चनिंग योर सेल्फ एंड समटाइम्स हैविंग द अदर पर्सन tells you you're okay, you know, that you're all right. And वो बड़ी ज़रूरी बात होती है. Because आपके दिमाग में भी चल रहा है कि what's wrong here. वो बड़ा ज़रूरी होता है.
And you're being
Affirmation जो
hard,
मिल रही
sometimes
है.
you're also being hard on yourself.
Yeah.
I think the worst is when you're being hard on yourself.
Yeah.
You know, काफ़ी कबार आप गलतियों को इतना internalize कर रहे होते हैं. ये दोनों किस्म की बीमारी है ना. एक बीमारी वो भी होती है कि जब आप हर गलती को एक्सटर्नलाइज करते हो कि मेरी गलती नहीं है, उसने ये किया, उसने ये किया, you know. And sometimes on the contrary, what you do is you blame yourself for everything. So sometimes it's okay to just take a step back, share it with somebody, and have somebody tell you that you're okay, you're fine.
Yeah,
You know?
very important. So I think so there's Sharia is on like this new journey. I'm like I feel it. You know, I feel it from you because obviously I've known you for only that long, but I see the change, asta slowly, the movement and going towards this new sort of thing. So what else is new? So again, we were talking about the internet. The internet is full of gossip about you and your new love in your life and everything. And obviously you don't have to say anything if you don't want to, and I will completely respect your wishes.
Yeah, you know everything.
Yeah, I know
And
everything.
and you know everything in the capacity of a friend.
मैं तो बिल्कुल, you know, I don't say anything. That's why I'm not saying anything. I'm just asking you if you want to share. If you don't want to share, because there's speculation.
So what I will say is that Alhamdulillah, I'm grateful.
Yeah.
I'm very grateful. And Alhamdulillah, I'm happy.
Yeah.
Allah has been kind. And
Parents are happy.
parents are happy.
That's
Alhamdulillah.
important.
Parents are very happy.
So exciting times.
And exciting times, inshallah.
Yeah.
And I would ask everyone to say a little prayer for us.
Inshallah.
And that's about it.
That's
And
that's where we're gonna leave it too, guys. We're not going to interfere with this. We're going to just give our blessings.
I just feel because,
Yeah.
like I said earlier, that I want this to be a very personal experience for us, both of us.
And private, and you're a
private.
private person.
Yeah.
You are, and even last time I believe you were very private about it, and it there was a lot of
Yeah.
hurt and everything.
Yeah.
And again, these are things that you know when you're a public figure, it's very difficult. You know,
Yeah.
it's very
Your
difficult.
public property.
Your public property, the speculation, the judging,
Yeah.
it becomes so crazy sometimes, and it drives you crazy. And sometimes it's just
वो
like,
लोग भी क्या करें यार,
yeah, I know.
मतलब वो हमें ओन करते हैं, जब प्यार देते हैं तो हम खुश होते हैं. So I think it makes, I don't have any complaints. This was the assignment I took on.
Yeah.
So if you understand the assignment, you understand that this comes with it.
Yeah.
And I think it's also because देखिए I think it's a very sacred thing ना, कि वो आपको इतना प्यार करते हैं, और लेकिन जो गुस्सा भी आता है उनका, वो भी प्यार से ही आता है. आपको गुस्सा भी उन्हीं पे आता है जो people matter.
That's right.
People who don't matter, you wouldn't bother with them.
That's right.
So
yeah, but people forget now when they put you on a pedestal.
Yeah.
They forget that you're human.
You're human as well.
and
Sometimes
that you
make
hurt.
Yeah.
And that you make mistakes.
Obviously.
We've all made mistakes. We've all like done things that we're not proud of, you know. And
Yeah.
and within, we're not that, that's not
Yeah.
that, we're not angels, or we're
Yeah.
not like fairies. We're not that.
Yeah, but I've been
I
lucky, alhamdulillah.
yeah.
People have mostly been very kind to me. And
But you're good, that's why.
n-
जनरली मैंने तुम्हें देखा है ना, तुम किताबें पढ़ते हो, तुम्हारी फैमिली बहुत क्यूट है. आई मीन your father is just like, even then,
Mashallah, mashallah, he's such a teddy bear.
mashallah, oof, even then when I used,
Loving guy.
हाँ बहुत, और वो कितना मुझे मजा,
lively.
him and Hinal Din Pazir
Yeah.
were like the cutest thing in
Yeah,
that
yeah.
that whole thing. I thought YBQ and I made a pretty cute couple
Yeah,
too,
yeah,
like a
yeah,
very
very-
crazy, but
Yeah.
it was like a,
The it couple.
yeah, it was very good, that whole experience. So for your parents also, I like, think.
So like I said, so
yeah.
people, generally
Yeah.
My audience has been very kind to me.
Yeah.
And for that, I'm very grateful to them.
Yeah.
They've always been very kind, and I think we should give the credit where it's due. हम अक्सर यहाँ पे आके जब भी बात करते हैं इसके बारे में, तो कहते हैं कि यार बहुत बुलिंग हो रही है, बहुत ट्रोलिंग हो रही है. नहीं, मुझे लगता है प्यार भी बहुत मिलता है. एंड माई ऑडियंस एटलीस्ट हैज बीन वेरी काइंड टू मी.
Oh, that's great. That's good. I'm really happy to
I'm
hear
very
that.
grateful to them for
Yeah.
it.
So even if he's away from social media for a while, guys, it's okay, यार.
Yeah.
है ना? वो तो
बट कुछ तो कुछ तो आ ही जाता है ना. देखिए अब आपके साथ जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, ये भी पर्सनल मोमेंट्स शेयर हो रहे हैं.
पर्सनल है, बट आई थिंक हम लोग इस वाले पॉडकास्ट पे जब बैठते हैं, so we are very respectful of everyone's
Yeah.
wishes, and I don't like to go into places where people, don't want to go, and I just feel them out as well,
Yeah.
because I know,
Yeah.
and I know that the minute anyone's uncomfortable, this is it. No, we're
Yeah.
not doing that, because I think हर एक journey होती है ना. Maybe you will come back in another 4 years and we'll have a talk.
Yeah,
And it'll be different.
I would
It'll
be
be
different,
different.
absolutely.
Yeah, it'll be different. Yeah. And
It's what you pick up and what you let go
Yeah,
of over
yeah,
time. आप गुजरते
yeah,
हुए रास्ते में से क्या उठा रहे हो और क्या निकाल रहे हो.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं आऊँ, शायद मेरा जो बॉक्स है उसमें मैंने कुछ और चीज़ें उठाई और कुछ चीज़ें निकाल दी.
Exactly. Be like, oh, okay.
बॉक्स से मुझे याद आया, you still have to tell me where you got this from.
Isn't it gorgeous?
It's
It's
beautiful.
Pakistani.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So मेरे बहुत सारे गोरे दोस्त हैं ना, तो उनके लिए हमेशा मुझे कोई ना कोई गिफ्ट लेके जाने होते
तो आप ये
हैं.
लेके
So this
जाती
is the Angel's truck art.
Okay,
It's
you are-
actually a truck art, and there was a beautiful tray
Yeah.
with this flowers, जो हम कहते हैं ना गुलाब, हमारे गुलाबो वो सारे बाहर निकले हुए थे. So I took that for him, and I saw this, and I said I want it.
No, it's
So I had to
beautiful.
keep it. Yeah.
It also looks very ये South of Italy type भी लगता है.
So हमारा जो truck art है ना, we were discussing this earlier
Yeah.
with Deepak.
Yeah.
The Malfi coast
Yeah.
is
just
full
like
of
that.
this. So
It's just
Dolce
that.
Gabbana is like,
Yeah.
if you look at the work,
Yeah.
then you'll see a lot of them.
South of Italy, yeah, the
South of
Amalfi
Italy.
Coast and all of
It's
that's
all the same.
It's all the
same.
same.
colors.
So interesting, like, because the first
Yeah.
time I went there and I saw everything, I was like, yeah, this is, how is this, the
Yeah.
motifs and all of that,
Yeah.
it's,
Or maybe we picked it up from there. Who knows? But we've been around for a long time. But so have the Romans,
I
actually.
mean,
Yeah.
वो वहाँ से आपके पास जो invasion आई
Yeah,
थी,
exactly.
पता नहीं शायद रोमन द ग्रीक था, बट अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट के साथ शायद आया हो.
ग्रीक्स आए थे ना,
हाँ,
वो
तो
वो
शायद-
वो वहीं से आके उन्होंने फूल शूल. You never know.
You
You
never
know,
know.
you're Sindhi, right?
Yeah.
तुम्हें पता है कि जो हमारी जिप्सीज हैं, जो दुनिया के जिप्सीज हैं,
हाँ.
they originated in Sindh.
No way. I
Yeah,
didn't know that.
जो लैंग्वेज है, इमरान असलम ने मुझे किताब दी थी इसके
अच्छा.
ऊपर, जो मैंने पढ़ी थी. तो हमारी लैंग्वेज,
God
उनके
rest his
फीचर्स भी
soul,
तुमने
इमरान
देखे हैं ना. डार्क फीचर्स
Yeah,
होते हैं,
yeah,
डार्क हेयर,
yeah.
डार्क आईज, राइट.
Yeah.
बंजारे,
Yeah.
the tribes that
yeah,
was to
yeah,
move
Banjara.
around and sing and dance. So they actually moved from here to Romania, and that's where the whole
Oh, wow.
culture, so their language,
Evolved.
Romani, जो उनकी language है, उसके अंदर Sindhi language or the old language is there. So it's everything is like, it's
Connected.
kind of, yeah, exact, the universe. Yeah, like pum 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 pum.
But what a beautiful man Imran Saab.
Yeah, man. I swear, मैं तो रोज ही उनको miss करती हूँ. Every day.
What a fun person also.
Fun, and he was so
Witty.
good in the movie.
Yeah.
In that movie, I'm so glad he got to do that
Yeah,
movie.
he did
with
that
you. That was
small-
the only movie he did. And he was always into cinema.
Yeah.
He was into anything and everything यार. वो फैशन में थे, मैं तो फैशन के सारे, मैं उनको मिली पहले इसीलिए थी ना, स्क्रिप्ट लिखवा रही थी उनसे,
हाँ.
फैशन शो की स्क्रिप्ट.
अच्छा.
या
तो आपने रोजी भी तो किया ना फिर.
हाँ, रोजी उस वक्त ही किया था मैंने, बिकॉज मैं आई वाज जस्ट मेस्मराइज्ड बाय द, आई वांटेड टू बी लाइक अ स्पंज अराउंड हिम ना, कि जो भी वो स्कॉलर थे ना वो बोलते जा रहे थे, आई वांटेड टू अब्सॉर्ब एवरीथिंग दैट ही सेड, बिकॉज हाउ मेनी पीपल यू नो लाइक दैट,
Yeah, that's
you
true.
know, you just want to be
Learned
around
man.
them. Yeah, because I really miss him. I really do. So anyway,
But
so
he's left a bit of him
indelible mark, yeah,
yeah,
on
with
this
everybody.
country.
And, you know, कुछ ना
वो
कुछ.
मलंग भी थे, उनको परवाह ही नहीं थी. मैं हमेशा लोगों को कहती हूँ मलंग आदमी, तो उसको परवाह ही नहीं थी, बस उसको अपने आर्ट, और so many people, like, you know, you were talking about it, like when you go away, it was all the people who came and talked about, from the smallest to the biggest, you know.
Yeah.
So everybody was there, like saying something about him, because he never said कि मैं इसकी help नहीं करूँगा.
But that's what he earned in life,
Yeah.
right? अब मैं और
Right.
आप इस वक्त बैठ के उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
There you go.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
आप जिंदगी में इंसान ऐसा कुछ कर जाए कि उनके पीछे भी
Yeah,
कोई ना कोई बैठ के बात कर रहा हो,
yeah,
और हमारे थ्रू अब इतने सारे लोग उनको के बारे में
yeah.
सुनेंगे.
True that. चलिए फिर शरियार, तुम्हें अब छुट्टी दूँ मैं, क्योंकि तुमने अभी तो कहीं नहीं जाना ना, अब तो 12 बज गए.
12 बज गए, अब घर जाऊंगा, सोऊंगा,
सोऊंगा.
सुबह उठूंगा, शूट पे जाऊंगा.
हाँ, so good luck with that, and good luck with wherever life is bringing you in the next few months or next year, and your journey, the new journey with the OTTs and
Yeah.
whatever you're
Thank you.
doing. And hopefully there'll be another film, guys, another movie. We want another movie out of it.
Inshallah.
As a
Inshallah.
producer, as a director also.
Inshallah.
That direction was very good.
Yeah.
You need to keep that up.
Thank you
Because
so much.
you've got it, ना? तुमने सीख लिया ना?
Yeah.
ब्लोर चला जला के चीजें सीख ही ली है.
आसिम साहब से.
आसिम से सीखी हैं, और फिर
He's been a great mentor.
he has been a great mentor, and he's been a great mentor to a lot of people.
A lot of
You
people,
know,
yeah.
a
He's
lot of
got-
people have a lot of respect for him.
And I've been lucky enough to work with a lot of good directors who
Yeah.
have picked up things from
Yeah.
all the time. I still continue to pick up things from
Yeah.
people.
Yeah. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, Kamateen Ozrat, for coming and watching another episode of FY Podcast. And we'd like to thank Shariar Munawwar. And again, like I said, we wish you all the best
Thank you so much
for
for
your
having me.
future, with genuine love and from the heart. And we hope to see you back again, and in over here, and then obviously in everywhere else as well. And I'm not very good at this, so I don't know how to say goodbyes. But I think he's going to have to do that. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the FY Podcast channel.
Hello, everyone. This is Shariar Munawwar Siddiqui, and you're watching me on the FI podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.